In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell courses on Shopify. If you want to offer digital learning, run a course business, and sell access directly from your online store, the first thing you need is the right setup inside Shopify. In this part of the process, we are going to start in your Shopify admin dashboard and then navigate to the area where you can install the Shopify App Store sales channel. This step matters because it is what helps your store connect with the tools needed to manage and sell your courses smoothly. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. When you land on the admin area, you should see a navigation menu on the left side and different panels showing your store information. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place, because the settings we are about to use are not found in your storefront view. They are inside the admin controls for your store. Next, look for the Settings option. In the Shopify admin interface, Settings is located at the bottom left, and it is represented by a gear icon. Click Settings now. As you click, watch for the Settings menu to open or the Settings page to load, since this is where Shopify groups all configuration options in a structured way. After you enter Settings, you will need to find the Sales Channels section. In many Shopify setups, Sales Channels appear as a specific tab or link inside the Settings area. Click on Sales Channels. This is an important moment because Shopify separates sales features by channel, meaning where customers buy from, such as your online store, social platforms, and app-based sales features. Once you are inside Sales Channels, you should see options related to different ways you can sell. This is where you connect apps that extend your store capabilities. Look for a choice labeled Shopify App Store. Select Shopify App Store. The reason this matters is that the Shopify App Store is the official place where you can search for applications that integrate with your store and support your course sales workflow. Now that you are in the Shopify App Store section, you will search for the app you need. In the search bar, type the text Tevelo. Then run the search or press Enter, depending on how the interface prompts you. When the results appear, make sure you see the app listing associated with the name you searched for. At this point, you will be ready to choose the correct app from the results screen. You may notice multiple listings or variations, so it is good to verify that the result corresponds to the app name you searched for. You are not installing anything yet in this set of instructions, but you are taking the correct step by locating the right app within the official Shopify App Store. When you have found the Tevelo listing, you have completed the navigation and search portion of the setup. From here, the next stage would be selecting the app listing and following the prompts to install it. But those exact actions are not part of the steps we are covering right now. Take a moment to confirm you are still in the Shopify App Store results for Tevelo, because being in the right screen will make the next steps much easier and prevent you from installing the wrong application. Once you are positioned there, you are set up to continue configuring course selling functionality. And that covers everything you need to know for this part of the process. And that is all there is to it.